Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So we have a Microsoft Edge update rolling out, and there's actually quite a lot going on with this little point release update, which rolled out on the 27th, late yesterday, once again in my part of the world. Now, as always, we head to our main menu, help and feedback about Microsoft Edge, and after the update has been applied, and if it hasn't, this process will force the update. The latest version is sitting on 123.0.2420.65, and that's been bumped up from 0.53. Now, first of all, they have fixed various bugs and performance issues, which is common in these updates that roll out to Microsoft Edge in the point release updates. So they fixed various bugs and performance issues. And they've also improved the reliability. And that's why I say this is an important update, because as I posted earlier this week, and the video will be in the end screen if you want more info, version 123, which is the latest release, when it rolled out earlier this week, Microsoft pulled and removed the update due to an issue. Now, this issue has been fixed in this latest point release. So version 123 now would have rolled out now to all users, where previously Microsoft pulled it in some regions due to an issue. And they say they've improved the reliability, and they fixed a browser crash that occurred when the user data directory policy is used to specify a path on a network share. So that was the problem. Note, they say that using a network share location for the user data directory is generally unsupported. So that was the whole problem, and that has been addressed. So as mentioned, version 123 now is available for all, and that issue that was causing Microsoft to pull version 123 from the general public has now been fixed. So that's why I say this is an important update. And another reason I say this is an important update is because they've included the security fixes from the Chromium project, which Edge is based on. Now, something interesting is going on here, because when I posted regarding Google Chrome and other browser updates this week, Google had not mentioned that there were any 0 days exploited in the wild. Yet Microsoft says the update to stable channel contains a fix which has been reported by the Chromium team as having an exploit in the wild. So the dots aren't connecting, but nonetheless, it's a critical vulnerability that's been addressed, which is a highest ranked vulnerability, which is use after free in angle. And then we get 6 high-risk vulnerabilities that have been addressed, which are common exploits like use after free and type confusion. So there are 7 Chromium security fixes rolling out, and according to Microsoft, that CVE 20242883, which is the critical vulnerability, is a 0 day, which means the exploit is out there, it's currently happening, and it's active. So you need to patch your browser as soon as possible. And as mentioned, just double checking it's up to date will get the job done if it hasn't done so already. So quite a lot going on in this little point release update. We get bugs that have been squashed. We've got improved reliability where Microsoft fixed the problem that was withholding version 123, the full rollout of that, and then we get 7 security fixes, and one of those is a critical, which according to Microsoft has been exploited in the wild. So just double check your browser's up to date. And over and above that, I'm not noticing anything else that's new or any tweaks and adjustments. If I do notice anything, obviously I'll post and let you know, because sometimes there are some little adjustments that are made when it comes to minor little features when these point release updates do roll out. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.